morning children. Today we are going to start our new lesson. Okay. First let me ask you few questions. So this is November month, right? So in November what we will celebrate? Children's Day. When we will celebrate Children's Day? November 14th. On Children's Day what you will do, children? We'll have many types of games, okay, fancy dress show, okay, you all will come in different types of fancy dresses, yes or no? So our lesson name is also the fancy dress show, okay children. Now so in the same way, children of Madhuban colony, so one colony is there children, Madhuban colony, and in that colony many children are there. So what all the parents did, they have conducted a fancy dress show in that colony for the children. So what happened, I will tell you children names: Adarsh, Harpreet, Sitara, Sid, Rimi, Fariba, Preeta, Bala, all what they did, they have come in different types of fancy dresses. And Mrs. Paul, before starting the program, Mrs. Paul started playing piano for the fancy show, for beginning the fancy dress show. Okay, first who came onto the stage? All the children, all the parents were waiting to watch the fancy dress show. So firstly who came? Harpreet came. No, first Adarsh came. Adarsh as superhero. So he dressed neatly like superhero and he came onto the stage. Next, after Adarsh who came? Harpreet came. Harpreet, how he came? He came like a monkey. He is wearing a monkey suit and he is acting like a funny monkey. Okay, and next Sitara. Sitara dressed like pumpkin. Okay children, next Sid. Sid dressed like an egg. So he dressed like an egg and he was acting like Humpty Dumpty. Okay, and next Rimi and Martha. Two little girls dressed like fairies, beautiful fairies with silver wings. They have dressed like a fairy and they came onto the stage. Next, Fariba. So Fariba, how she came? She came like a queen. She came like a queen with a very golden crown. Crown means you know, no? We will keep on the head. So queens will be having crown, no? So she is wearing a golden crown. And Preeta. Next, Preeta came onto the stage. How she has dressed? She has dressed like hippopotamus. Okay? And next, Bala, like octopus. Octopus means you know, no? Octopus will be having how many legs, children? 8 legs. So octopus, Bala came like an octopus, and Zag came like a wizard. So all stood on the stage and they were performing their role. And all the parents were very happy and they encouraged the children and they were clapping and they were enjoying. So after completing the fancy dress show, all the parents together, what they did? They have given few prizes for the children. Okay? To encourage the children. After completing the fancy dress show, parents decided to give gifts. No? So what Harpreet got? He got an aeroplane, toy aeroplane Harpreet got. And Preeta got toy truck. And Sid got coloring book to color the pictures. And Sitara got one beautiful painting kit. Next, and few more children got crayon boxes and other children got storybooks. And all the children were very happy with their gifts. And the parents were also very happy watching this fancy dress show. So you also happy now children, when we are coming to school, if we have any program in this way, you will also feel very happy, no? So in the same way, children and parents also felt very happy. children, now we will read the lesson. Okay, what is the lesson name? The fancy dress show. So here is an activity, children. Here they have given different types of caps. You have to write the names who will wear this cap. Okay, who wears these caps? With the help of these pictures you have to identify and you have to write neatly in these blanks. Okay, now we will read the lesson. Okay, put your finger like me. See here, we'll start from here. it, is a, saturday, Saturday. It is a Saturday. the, children. Children. of, Madhuban. colony. go. to. a, fancy. dress. show. The children of Madhuban colony go to a fancy dress show. See Nana, here M capital letter is given. Why? Madhuban. It is the name of a colony. So M should be in capital letter. Next, whenever after full stop when we are starting a new sentence, we will start with a capital letter. Okay. there. many. children. in. fancy. dresses. at. the. show. There are many children in fancy dresses at the show. they. excited. They are excited. Excited means happy. They are happy. Next, the. parents. of. all. the. children. in. big. hall. The parents of all the children are in a big hall. they. will. watch. the. show. They will watch the show. Next, M capital letter. MRS means Mrs. PAUL Paul. P capital letter. Why? Because it is a name of a person. PAUL Paul. PLAYS place. the. PIANO piano. Mrs. Paul plays the piano. Piano means it is a musical instrument. the. fancy. dress dress. show. begins begins. The fancy dress show begins. Next, A capital letter. ADARSH Adarsh. COMES comes. on. the. STAGE stage. FIRST first. Adarsh comes on the stage first. he is DRESSED dressed. as a S-U-P-E-R, super. H-E-R-O, hero. He is dressed as a superhero. Okay, see, where is Adarsh here? In this, where is Adarsh? See here, Mrs. Paul is playing piano. And where is Adarsh here? Here is Adarsh. He is dressed as superhero. Next, Harpreet, Harpreet. COMES comes INNAMONKEY, monkey. SUIT, suit. Harpreet comes in a monkey suit. So where is Harpreet here? Here is Harpreet. So he is acting like a monkey. Okay, next. He ACTS, acts. LIKE, like. FUNNY, funny. MONKEY, monkey. He acts like a funny monkey. See here. Next. HELOOKS, looks. AT, at. THE, the. PEOPLE, people. WATCHING, watching. THE, the. SHOW, show. He looks at the people watching the show. See what he is doing? He is seeing all the people who are watching the show. He is waving his hand. Next. HEMAKES, makes. FACES, faces. AT, at. THEM, them. He makes faces at them. So he is acting like a funny monkey. Next is capital letter. Sitara. Sitara is the name of a girl. So yes, should be in capital letter. SITARA, Sitara. COMES, comes. AS, as a pumpkin. PUMPKIN, pumpkin. Sitara comes as a pumpkin. So where is Sitara? See here. This girl is Sitara. Okay. Next. AND, SID, Sid. COMES, comes. AS, as. AN, EGG, egg. Sid comes as an egg. See where is Sid here? See, this boy is Sid. So he is wearing an egg costume and he came. HEIS is HUMPTY, Humpty. DUMPTY, Dumpty. He is Humpty Dumpty. So Sid is acting like a Humpty Dumpty. Do you remember the Humpty Dumpty rhyme, Nana? So in the same way he dressed up. Next. RIMI, Rimi. AND, and MARTHA, Martha. ARER, TWO2, LITTLE, little. GIRLS, girls. DRESSED, dressed. AS, as. FAIRIES, fairies. Rimi and Martha are two little girls dressed as fairies. So see here, these two little girls, Rimi and Martha, they have dressed like fairies with silver wings. Okay. Next. THEY, they. HAVE, have. SILVER, silver. WINGS, wings. They have silver wings. See here. At their back, they are having silver wings. FARIBA, Fariba. COMES, comes. AS, as a. Next page. Queen. QUEEN, queen. Fariba acts as a queen. Next. SHE, she. IS, is. WEARING, wearing. SHINY, shiny. GOLDEN, golden.
CROWN, crown. She is wearing a shiny golden crown. So who is wearing a crown here? Fariba is wearing, see here, golden crown. So she is like a queen. Next, PRITHA, Preeta. COMES, comes. AS as MRS, Mrs. HIPPO, hippo. Preeta comes as Mrs. Hippo. AND and BALA, Bala. AS as AN OCTOPUS, octopus, and Bala as an octopus. See, Preeta, where is Preeta? Here, Preeta is like a hippo and Bala is like a octopus. Okay, next, THEN, then. ZAK, Zach. ENTERS, enters. As a wizard. WIZARD, wizard. Then Jack enters as a wizard. See here, he is Jack with a broom. Next, HEHAS, has a broom. BROOM, broom. IN in. HIS, his. HAND, hand. Next, TH, the. PARENTS, parents. ARER, HAPPY, happy. The parents are happy. THEY, they. CLAP, clap. FOR, for. ALL, all. THE, the. CHILDREN, children. They clap for all the children. ALL, all. THE, the. CHILDREN, children. GET, get. PRIZES, prizes. All the children get prizes. So they have performed a fancy dress show, no? For that, all got prizes. Next, HARPREET, Harpreet. GETS, gets. AN, AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Harpreet gets an aeroplane. So Harpreet got one aeroplane. Here we should use an because A is a oval. Okay, so for this we will use an aeroplane. Next, PRITHA, Preeta. GETS, gets a TOY, toy. TRUCK, truck. Preeta gets a toy truck. SID, Sid. GETS, gets a COLOURING, coloring. BOOK, book. Sid gets a coloring book. Next, SITARA, Sitara. GETS, gets a PAINTING, painting. KIT, kit. Sitara gets a painting kit. SOME, some. OF, of. THE, the. CHILDREN, children. ARER, GIVEN, given. CRAYON, crayon. BOXES, boxes. Some of the children are given crayon boxes. OTHER, other. CHILDREN, children. ARER, GIVEN, given. STORY, story. BOOKS, books. Other children are given story books. So these are the gifts. Who got? Harpreet got aeroplane. Preeta got toy truck, and Sid had one coloring book. Sitara painting kit, and some children got crayon boxes and some other children got story books. Okay. Next, excited means what meaning? Very happy. So this is the piano, a musical instrument, and this is a broomstick. Okay. Next, see here. Which sentence tells you that all the children got prizes? Read it aloud. So here in the last sentence, what they have told? Some of the children are given crayon boxes, other children are given storybooks. So we can understand with the help of this sentence that everyone got gifts. Next. Write the names of the children under the pictures. One has been done for you. So here they have given who have performed fancy dress. So here monkey, who is monkey here? Harpreet. They have given Harpreet name. So this fairy, who is fairy? Rimi. So you have to start with a capital letter. Next, egg, Humpty Dumpty. Who is that? Sid. Hippo, Preeta. Octopus, Bala. Pumpkin, Sitara. So in this way you have to write. Okay. Next, page number 53. The fancy dress show was on a Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. Complete the names of the other days of the week in the table. So here in this box they have given few letters are missing. You have to fill this table. So how many days we have in a week? 7 days in a week. What are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay. Now we will write the spellings. Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. 1 day is missing. What is that? 1 day is missing in the row. Write the name of the missing day. Which day is that? See here, once again we will check. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday is missing. So you have to write here Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Next, which day of the week do you enjoy the most? Can you say why? So which day of the week we will like most? Sunday. Why? Because Sunday is a holiday. Okay. Sunday, Sunday. In this way you have to write, Nana. Write neatly. Okay.